Hi, and welcome back to another episode of Ask the Expert. I'm Christine Austria, and today we're joined by John Regan, Product Marketing Manager at Park Place Technologies. Thanks for being here, John.
Happy to be here, Christine.
Okay, so today we're going to talk about how Intuity's SurePath feature can be leveraged to monitor web application performance. Can you dive a little deeper into that?
Absolutely. Traditional application performance monitoring tools will typically only look at performance of the application and provide some basic data on application usage or servers that are being used from the perspective of the application. What APMs don't show you is how the network that is using the application is being leveraged. SurePath focuses on tracing network components that an application uses from the client's end through servers that's providing the application to an end user. And this is true for both on prem or cloud based applications. SurePath then takes that information and presents it to you as a map where you can see the various paths that data may be traveling. This map is updated every 5 minutes so that you can look for packet loss, latencies in paths, changes in a path from the previous 5 minutes, or even changes from a path that you've specified as a known path that you want to use.
So, what are examples of how SurePath helps customers monitor and enhance web performance?
There's many examples. One case study recently for a customer, they were leveraging a VoIP phone system, which is a web-based phone system, and they were experiencing intermittent issues with the quality of their calls every 30 minutes. They used SurePath to find out that outside of their gateway, the service provider was using both a fiber connection, but also a slower DSL connection as a backup. And due to a configuration issue, every 30 minutes, the path was switching between the fiber connection and the legacy connection. What they were able to do is use the data pulled from SurePath to show their MSP and get the issue resolved. We also helped them to add that slower connection as a blacklisted path and notify the customer if the data was ever traveling using that path again.
Do you have other resources that you would like to share about Intuity?
Absolutely. We recently did a customer Entuity tech talk focused on the subject of using Entuity to monitor application performance. Happy to drop a link to that in the chat below.
Thanks for talking with us, John. This was really informative. If you have any questions for John Regan about Intuity's SurePath feature, simply leave a comment below or contact us today, and we'll see you next time on Ask the Expert.